Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to stream Xbox game to Twitch using your mobile. So I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how you can stream your Xbox game to Twitch. So to stream Twitch, you have to install the Twitch app on your Xbox. So press the Xbox button on your controller, then go to store, then search and install the Twitch app, then open the Twitch app and sign in, link your Twitch account if needed. Then on the step to start streaming, open the Twitch app on your Xbox, then go to the broadcast and adjust settings adjust the settings, the title, the camera, the mic, etc, or any other things like that. Then also select the start streaming and your gameplay will go live on Twitch. Then on step 3, manage the stream from your phone. Open the Twitch app on your phone, then go to the creators dashboard to manage the stream, the chat, or to stop the broadcast. So that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.